Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Peugeot 5008 on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you can then see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, as you can see. The seats fold down in 3 different sections. We've also got rear seats, so at the moment we are in our 5-seat configuration. You can have it as a 7-seater as well. And here you can see the boot space when we have 7 seats in place. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then we'll hop in and, as I said, just run through a few of the controls on the inside of the car from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge. We then have the speedometer, the rev counter and the coolant temperature gauge. In the centre you can of course see the digital readout for the speedometer as well, and above that it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so of course we are in park at the moment. In the central section, just to the bottom left hand corner, you can see the total miles of this car. They are 41,390. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we've got our phone and stereo controls. Over on the right hand side, further phone control, so voice activation here, phone controls just there. The minus and plus paddles so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox as well. Into the centre next, we've got the main touchscreen. So we're on the climate control menu at the moment, so you can control passenger temperature, driver temperature, fan speed, the direction you would like the air to be distributed in. Air conditioning's on at the minute, so that's off. Back on, you can hit auto. The car will now take full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. Any adjustment will take auto off and then allow you to put it back on your own settings here. To change from the climate control to any other option, you use these buttons just here. So we have climate control there. We've got our audio. So as you can see on the screen now, the different ways in which we can listen to music. So we've got DAB, AM and FM radio, Bluetooth audio, USB input and iPod input. Plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car. We can also access the satellite navigation, which you see on the screen now. We have a menu for car settings. We have a menu to pair up your phone, of course. And as you can see, depending on the phone you have, we have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, both available as well. On top of all of that, we've got a full colour parking camera, as you can see. Reversing camera there, a bird's eye view image of the car on the right hand side as well. So very easy to park with those. With the main volume for the stereo, we've got a heated passenger and driver seat, both of which have 3 separate heat settings each. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. This button starts and stops the engine for the car. All you need to do is make sure you have the key in here with you. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.